Hey, this is Luke again with Cruising Secrets, and I've got a way for you to have some free money to play with in the casino on Royal Caribbean cruises. I'm going to walk you through it first in case you're watching this video for the second time, and then I'll explain how the whole system works at the end. I want to thank Cruises with Friends on YouTube. They posted a great video about this, and I'm going to link that down below, but I'm pulling out some screenshots from that video because I think it explains it very well. So to start, you tap your CPAS card on the little light up block, and that'll log you in. Then tap on Account. The first time you do this, it'll prompt you to change your PIN. Your starting PIN is your birth date, month and day in 2 digits. So for June 8th, it would be 0608. Then you have to pick a new PIN. You'll enter that and confirm it, and then you're ready to go. Tap on Personal Banker, tap on Transfer to Game, tap on Promo Dollars. It'll tell you how much you have, and you can choose how much to transfer. Most of the time, you're probably just going to want to transfer all of it because it's just a few dollars. And then you can play with that money. It's exactly the same as if you had inserted those dollars into the slot machine. So now that you know how to do it, why would you do all this? Well, for one, you get free money to play with. Gold members get $2. That means anybody who's gone on a Royal Caribbean cruise before gets $2 to play with in the casino. Platinum gets $4, and Emerald, Diamond, Diamond Plus, Pinnacle, they all get $6. But if you do all of this on the first 2 days of your cruise, you get bonus credit. This bonus credit can be from $2 to $100 more. No joke. My wife actually got $50 more on her account as promo dollars on one of our cruises. So make sure you go early, just in case you're one of those bonus people. Side note, she didn't really win anything with that money. So how do you select which machine you want to go to? Well, in theory, there are some that don't allow the promotion credit, but I don't know which ones those are. I've never actually seen that happen. If you do know, leave a comment below and share that secret. The ones I pick are the ones that say credits are 1 cent each. That way, it's easy to know when I've gambled away my free dollars. So let's say I have $4 of free credit. That means I need to gamble exactly 400 credits. And that makes it easy math. So I might go look at the betting options and I might bet 100 credits 4 times or 200 credits 2 times. Then after betting that much, if I've won anything, I can cash out and take the little coupon over and actually get my winnings. Now, sometimes the machines do funky stuff like make it where you can only bet 80 credits or 140 credits. You can walk around and look at the different machines and do the math yourself. Just remember, their goal is to confuse you. So you'll sit there, you'll probably get 3 or 4 spins, but if you win, you can cash out and keep all of the winnings. My record is about $10, which I know isn't very much, but hey, it's $10 more than I had. So I just cashed out and I logged out of the machine and I took my little voucher and I went to the cashier and I got my money. Maybe I could have won more if I had kept playing. But I know with that $10, I ended with more than I started with. So what's the record for the most you've ever won in the casino? And how did you do it? Did you do it all with free money or did you have to spend some of your own? Leave a comment below and tell us how you did. Then check out some of these other videos. If you've ever wanted a way to get more free money on a cruise, there is a way to do it all with a retirement account. Sound crazy? Well, check out this video about how to get onboard credit with a Roth IRA. You can get up to $250, and you could spend all of that onboard credit in the casino if you wanted, and maybe turn in even more money. If not, check out this other video on Cruising Secrets. We'll secret you later.